in today's video, we are going to be painting our brand new kitchen cabinets green.
So we've been working really hard on our kitchen over here. It's really starting to come together, as you can see. We have our giant island we just built, and we're starting to come down to some of the design choices. And so Sarah's gonna kind of walk you through why exactly we're gonna be painting our brand new kitchen cabinets.
All right, so let me show you what we have picked out for cabinets. These are from Menards, and they are awesome because they are flush mount, meaning that they will actually sit inside of the cabinet. It'll be super seamless, really pretty. They are IKEA style, so we had to kind of put all these together. So that takes a little bit of extra time, but they are actually really nice cabinets, and I really love this trim work is simple, but still like has a nice little detail to it. I just think it's really pretty. So the reason we are painting these green is because everything in this kitchen is pure white. We have white appliances, white cabinets, and then we picked out our countertop today too, which is this white quartz marble. So that'll be delivered in a few months. But the reason I want to paint these green is because I want to add just some character back into this house. I want to add some wood accents, terracotta, stucco, and a little bit of color. So the reason we didn't just go out and buy green cabinets is because that would be very expensive and it's a pretty long wait list. So we're doing it ourselves. So we're going to paint these green today with our favorite Beyond Paint. Today's video sponsor is Beyond Paint.
If you've watched our channel for any amount of time, you know that we absolutely love using Beyond Paint. We've done furniture flips with it, we've painted our bathroom cabinets with it, all kinds of stuff.
Even countertops, we've done wood paneling project. This stuff is incredibly durable. It's so easy to use. You don't have to sand anything, strip anything. It's just crazy good stuff. The consistency of it is kind of muddy and thick, which I think is why it works so good. All right, so we wanted to show you guys this, why we went with Beyond Paint, because we painted this bathroom vanity, the cabinets, but also the countertop 4 months ago. And I've been so impressed with how well it's held up. Like, our girls use this bathroom every day. They're pretty hard on stuff, and there are no dings, there's nothing, like no chips gone, anything. So because we have so much confidence in how well this paint works, that's why we are willing to paint our brand new kitchen cabinets. So if you guys have a project you want to do, go check out their link below. It is such good paint, we highly recommend it.
All right, let's go try to paint these brand new cabinets.
The box cutter.
Kid scissors. You nervous?
Yes.
Me too, a little bit. Brand new cabinets. We're gonna spray them. Let's go.
Safety first.
Safety first.
First thoughts. Love it.
It's gonna be sweet. We decided to spray the paint on our cabinet doors rather than rolling them, just to ensure we had the smoothest finish possible. This meant that our spray booth had to be an outdoor MacGyver type setup with styrofoam cups. But the weather was nice and calm, so it actually worked out really great.
Looking good. First coat.
All right, I'm currently working on installing all the doors we painted. It's a little bit complicated, it's taking me a while, but got them all laid out here. They're looking really, really good. But I'm going through each different hinge pack, making sure it's the right hinge pack. Mixed a few of those up, unfortunately. We also have this pantry doors, which look great, except when you look, they're one of them's upside down, and I'm trying to decide which one is upside down. Do you want the taller ones on the bottom or the taller ones on the top? Gotta figure out which doors go to which drawer and install them all. It's a little bit of a process, so I'm gonna get to it.
What's that?
It's a stencil for knowing where to drill the cabinet holes. So it's kind of custom made, but it's working pretty well actually. So one there, one there. So then in theory, I drill my holes
Look at that gorgeous paw.
They're looking good. Yeah, we got all these ones on, so they're looking real good.
Oh yeah. So pretty.
A little bit scary. All right. There it is.
Gorgeous.
All right, so we're just about done installing these cabinets, and I'm so glad we made the decision to paint them with Beyond Paint. Remember, we got these stock from Menards, but they're kind of IKEA lines, so they look nice and modern when they're shut. They're kind of flush mount, which Sarah liked, and then they're all soft close, which is great. Some really nice features like slide out drawers, stuff like that. So this is gonna be our microwave location, our hidden microwave location.
So now that we kind of are starting to put our kitchen back together, we have a lot of fun details coming up that I'm really excited about. Right now our kitchen looks pretty modern to me, like even the green is a little bit modern, and obviously our appliances are like out of a spaceship, but we are going to be adding a lot of really warm textures back in, some nice like old looking wood, clay type pottery tile. So I'm really excited to kind of add the character and charm back into this house. I don't plan on keeping it as modern as it looks now, but it's a good like starting place to just feeling nice and fresh and new. This is the faucet I've picked out. Isn't she pretty? Oh. And I went with these pulls over here. They're pretty simple, but I liked that they had a little bit of roundness to them, but they still felt like modern, because there's like a fine line between looking like from the 90s but wanting it to look old with charm but not look like outdated. So this is what I went with.
So this kitchen is coming together a little bit slower than we had hoped. As you guys know, we've been without a kitchen, and this is our current state of our kitchen. So we have a refrigerator. We don't have a stove yet, or a sink. The sink is the hardest one. So
I've been washing our dishes either outside in a wash tub or in our bathroom. So it's a little bit like camping, but we are making it work.
So one big delay we're having with the kitchen is countertops. The place we usually go, we went and got a quote. They have really fair prices. Unfortunately, they're 12 weeks out. So we got another quote, expecting it to be maybe a little bit more, but it was almost double of the original quote. Yep. They could get it done in 3 weeks, but we decided it wasn't worth the extra cost. So we're gonna be waiting.
So we chose to go with the first place where we have to wait 12 weeks, but pay a fair price.
But because we're paying a fair price, we're gonna be able to get the waterfall edges, which we really wanted. It's gonna be worth the wait, but for now we're trying to figure out, I think we might just do like a plywood countertop. We might get like a Habitat for Humanity restore sink while we wait for the new countertop. So we're gonna get it figured out, but we're still kitchenless technically.
Yes.
So.
And this back here, Jamie built all this, you guys saw that, and that will be all filled with tile as well. So.
Yeah, the reason we built this is because we wanted to extend the island, so we have a nice wide island. So the overhang will be here, and it's going to be 54 inches wide, I believe, so nice and big.
The reason we didn't just put cabinets back here is because when you first walk in the door, this is like the first thing you see, and we wanted it to be a really cool statement piece with tile. So that is why we went that route. So if you guys want to comment below and help us out, we are still trying to decide between a few design choices. I am thinking black or charcoal tile with wood vent hood back here, but the other option is potentially to do a more terracotta tile with a stucco white vent hood. So those are our two choices, so comment below.
Let us know which one you think.
Yep. And then obviously we will have a glorious chandelier hanging here. I'm still working on picking that out, so all these fun little details are coming together, and this is like my favorite part, so it's getting good.
So if you guys have watched any of our other videos on this house remodel, you know that we actually moved the kitchen to the opposite side of the house, which we're very nervous about. But as it's coming together, we're so glad we did. This room just has a really great feel. You walk in, it's a gathering place, and the giant living room is right next to it, and it's just one big open space, which we love. So And if you haven't seen any other videos from our home remodel, you should check out this playlist. We'll link it here so you can go check it out. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.